See, this will be the best video in the world which you are going to hear about high blood pressure, bad cholesterol, high blood sugar, fatty liver, PCOD, that is PCOS, hormone problems, or irregular periods, or even infertility. I am going to discuss these 5 diseases within 5 minutes. So what is the reason for high blood sugar? Insulin resistance. What is the reason for high blood pressure? Insulin resistance. What is the reason for bad cholesterol? Insulin resistance. What is the reason for fatty liver? Insulin resistance. What is the reason for PCOD, PCOS, hormone problems? Insulin resistance. What is the reason for heart attack? What is the reason for heart attack? Insulin resistance. What is the reason for stroke? Insulin resistance. What is the reason for high blood pressure? Insulin resistance. What is the reason for high blood sugar? Insulin resistance. Please write it down in a piece of paper. Only then you will understand the purpose of my 5 minutes video. Please write it down, what all I have spoken. Insulin resistance. Okay, right. So what do you mean by insulin resistance? What do you mean by insulin resistance? High insulin in the blood. Just write it down. It is not low. It is high insulin in the blood. If you do a blood test called fasting insulin, it will be very much high. So insulin resistance means high insulin in the blood. Please write it down. It is not low. Number 2. High insulin in the blood. High blood insulin is very, very, very dangerous. High insulin in the blood is very, very dangerous. Did you write it down? Only if you write it down, you will understand this video. It's very, very, very dangerous. Okay. So how to lower your insulin resistance? Balanced diet. Please write it down. How to reduce or lower insulin balanced diet. People are eating tablets to reduce their low insulin. Shame. It's really a shame. How to lower your blood insulin? By balanced diet. It's really shame. People are eating tablets to reduce this insulin. How to treat insulin resistance? Balanced diet. Balanced diet. It's shame. People are eating tablets and injecting insulin. Really shame and pitiable. Please write it down. Then only you will understand. I have showed you 5 papers. Just write it down. You will understand well what I want to say. Got it? Did you understand? Okay. Do you know why? So let me ask you a question. Do you know why people who are eating tablets for sugar, BP, cholesterol, and putting in insulin for diabetes, almost everyone who take their sugar tablets, BP tablets, bad cholesterol tablets regularly, almost everyone have stroke, eye complication, blindness, heart attack, kidney problem, leg finger cutting removal problem. Have you seen? Did you understand that? Did you understand my question? If you take your tablets BP tablet, sugar, cholesterol tablets regularly, and insulin. Almost all the patients in the world, they get some of the complications like either stroke or eye blindness or heart attack or kidney failure or removal of the finger. Have you seen? Why? Because high insulin in the blood causes atherosclerosis. What do you mean by atherosclerosis? Please write it down. I'll explain. What do you mean by atherosclerosis? See, there is a blockage in the blood vessel. See, that blockage is called a black color. Did you see that block? Did you see this block? This block is called atherosclerosis. So high insulin causes atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis is the reason for. Got it? See, the treatment for high blood sugar is balanced diet. The treatment for high blood sugar is balanced diet. It is not tablets and insulin. Nobody in this world has recovered well with the, sugar tablets and insulin. Only if you eat a balanced diet, your insulin resistance will come down. What is the reason for high blood pressure? Insulin resistance. So what is the treatment for high BP? Balanced diet. What is the treatment for bad cholesterol? Balanced diet. What is the treatment for fatty liver? Balanced diet. What is the treatment for PCOD, PCOS, hormone problems, irregular periods and infertility? Balanced diet. If you don't eat your home food in a balanced diet, your insulin resistance will not come to normal, and your high insulin and your high level of insulin in the blood will cause atherosclerosis and produce all the damages. So eating this and injecting this is not important. This is very, very, very important. Shame. So many people, without following the balanced diet, they are taking only tablets and insulin. My humble request, if you eat your home food in a balanced form, with correct amount of healthy fat, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, protein, you can throw all these tablets in the dustbin and you can throw this insulin also in the dustbin. So balanced diet is very, 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 very important. Am I right or wrong? See, I reduced 70 kgs for this boy, 140 to 70 kgs. The specialty of my weight loss clinic: no protein powder, no tablets, no juice, no running, no skipping, no treadmill, no bariatric surgery, no protein powder, nothing. I give only balanced diet with correct amount of healthy fat, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates and protein. So don't hesitate. See, save this video, write it down in a piece of paper. Teach it to your children, teach it to your husband, or teach it to your wife, and teach for your good friends. Let them also learn about insulin resistance. You hear this video once more, you will understand better. Don't forget to share this great awareness video to the world. This is the great awareness video I have explained to you so nicely. See, the reason for all the dangerous diseases is insulin resistance. You go through the video once more, you will understand better. Stay tuned.